Namaste guys, today we will discuss what are the negative side effects of holding an urge to belch, and we will discuss these side effects and pathologies or disease that could happen in our body according to Ayurveda. All the references of these pathologies are derived from Charak Samhita, which is written in Sanskrit language. So the number one pathology that you could potentially face is hiccups, and in Ayurveda, in Sanskrit language, this is known by a word hikka, and in normal language we used to call it hichki. So if you are holding an urge to belch for a very long period of time, you could potentially face hiccups. The second pathology that you could face according to Acharya Charak by holding an urge to belch is breathlessness. Yes, breathlessness. And this disease is known by a Sanskrit word in Ayurveda which is known as Shwasaha. Number third pathology is loss of appetite, or you can say loss of interest in food. And in Sanskrit, in Ayurveda, this disease is known by a word aruchi. Number fourth pathology is you might also face tremors if you are holding an urge to belch for a long period of time according to Acharya Charak. And in Sanskrit, in Ayurveda, this disease is known by a word which is known as kampa. And the final pathology that you could face is vibandha hridya urasah. What is the meaning of this Sanskrit word in Ayurveda? The meaning is that you could potentially face tightness in the heart, in the chest, in the pulmonary region. So these are the pathologies that are described by Acharya Charak if you are holding an urge to belch. But these are just the few examples that are described by Acharya Charak, and you could potentially face many more disease, because if you are holding an urge to belch, it causes vitiation of Vata dosh, especially Udan Vayu, and it may trigger many other Vata disease like indigestion, constipation, bloating, acid reflux in esophagus, maybe increased pressure on diaphragm. So the advice is simple: just don't hold your urge to belch. It is just not good for your body, not good for your health. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video.